In this video, let's learn how to change or remove apps permission. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to apps option, click on this three dots icon and go to permissions manager. You can see all permissions in here. Now I click on camera option. You can see camera allow applications in here. If you want to don't allow for these applications, select an app. After you can select ask every time or you can select don't allow option. Now I select don't allow anyway option. In this method you can change your app permissions.